The Russia-Ukraine war could badly affect the space economy and missions. The two countries which started the space race and led to a rapid growth in space missions are now putting all in danger over geopolitical issues. President Biden, along with Britain and European countries, has put some very harsh economic sanction on Russia. All of this has put many future space missions in critical situations. Many major joint missions are carried out by collaboration of Europe, Russia, and US. Russia has always been a key partner in all space missions, and they are very well aware of the impact this war can have. The situation is very critical with International Space Station. Russian Space Agency's chief, Dmitry Rogozin, said that Russia could respond to the US sanctions by letting the ISS fall from space. Russia is a key partner in ISS. Their Progress cargo mission reboosts the ISS to maintain its altitude in low Earth orbit. With the sanctions imposed, this cargo supply mission will be affected, and the Russia will not be able to maintain the altitude of ISS, resulting in an uncontrolled deorbit of ISS, risking a 500-ton structure dropping on India and China. However, NASA has responded that it continues working with all our international partners, including the state space corporation Roscosmos, for the ongoing safe operations of the International Space Station. NASA currently wants station to orbit until 2030, but Russia has no such commitments beyond year 2024. Elon Musk also responded and said, SpaceX is prepared to maintain operations on the International Space Station. Although SpaceX is more than capable, but it is possible only in scenario where Russia agrees to hand over the space station operations to SpaceX, which is highly unlikely since SpaceX is an American space company. NASA and Axiom Space has also planned the private crew mission to ISS, named Axiom 1 for March 30th this year. With all preparations done, the current situation with Russia may put the mission on hold. NASA has confirmed its willingness to continue to cooperate with Roscosmos through the ISS, while NASA still continues to access the US sanctions to draft their response. But there are many major space missions that has been planned in collaboration with Russia, which are now feared to be in jeopardy with Russia's invasion on Ukraine. Many US and European space missions are dependent on Russian supplies of rocket parts. The US Antares rocket by Northrop is one such example. The rocket is used for resupply missions to ISS. Its first stage is Ukrainian-built and is powered by two Russian RD-181 engine. The company currently has all hardwares for next two launches, but they are closely monitoring this situation. ULA Atlas V will also be affected, as it uses Russian-made RD-180 engine. The most awaited mission, Exomars, is scheduled to launch in September this year with Russia's Proton rocket. Exomars is joint mission of European Space Agency and Roscosmos to land Rosalind Franklin Mars lander on Mars' surface to search for signs of past life on Mars and study Mars' environment. Russia's Kazachok lander will deliver this rover to Mars' surface. Rosalind Franklin rover is the second phase of Exomars mission. The first part of the program is a mission launched in 2016 that placed the Trace Gas Orbiter into Mars orbit. With Russia playing a key role, the future of Exomars mission now is in question due to the global tension Russia invasion of Ukraine has created, may face an indefinite delay with the ongoing tensions between Europe and Russia over Ukraine. Russia itself has many space missions scheduled this year. Luna 25 is their first mission in 45 years to Moon's surface. The sanction by USA and UK are specifically imposed to cut off Russia's access to cutting-edge technology. This will affect Russia's future space missions directly. Russia has always been a major contributor in the space industries. Roscosmos shares the financial and technological burden of many successful and ongoing space missions, which otherwise would have been shelved due to high budget and technological capability. The Ukraine conflict has already caused long-lasting damage to space exploration. Let's hope that the leaders will come to their senses and find a peaceful solution, and share the responsibility of not affecting science over political issues.